Hello friends, this is our third video in the playlist of Azure Storage Queue with Spring Boot. So in our two videos, what we have learned is we created the queue storage in Azure portal, then we have connected that queue storage with Spring Boot application with the help of endpoint and the SaaS token in QueueClient. Right now, it's time to send the messages and receive the messages from there. Okay, so this is what we have seen how we can create a QueueClient and those items we have seen, right? We have created the queue. Now let's see how we can send the message. Okay, so to send a message you simply need QueueClient dot. Here you could see here I have the send message, right? So let's use that string message. Let's pass hello world storage queue. Okay, then it is actually introducing a variable called send message result. It is having message ID and at what time it got inserted, what is the expiry date, all those details it is there. Good, nice. So something like send message. Nice. Now let's create a logger here with the help of SLF4J. With the help of what? With the help of Lombok library we have. So simply use log.info sent message with ID as here send message dot get message ID. Okay, let's try to explore this. Whether the message is going or not, we're going to see now. Okay, so I started running the Spring Boot application here. Now you could see it is loading slowly. Okay, now once everything is done, okay, sent message with ID. This is the ID, we got it, right? So let's go to the portal once and see. This is my overview of the queue. And if you see any things are there. Okay, now come here, queues, and you could see here test1 is there. What is a test1? Test1 is a queue I have curated, isn't it? This is a queue I have curated, right? So this queue I'm going to show you. There were two messages were there. Okay, the message we have sent is hello world storage queue. You could see here this is a one. And is it dequeued here? That means it is queued, it is set up in the queue. Dequeue means it is came out of queue. Is it dequeued? No, it yet to. That's why here you could see 0 is there. Okay, so expand it here. Message body is this, insertion time, expiration time, all those things we have. I think expiration time by default is, I believe, is 1 week we have, and ID is here, DQ count. Okay, cool, nice. This is a small way we could create a, we could send a message into the storage queue. Now it's time to receive the messages from that queue. How we can do that? Simply use QueueClient, which we have created here. Then there is a receive message options. There were three overloaded methods are there. Let's use the one like this with no parameters. Introduce a local variable queue message items, right? Okay, let's get into the message item. Here I have the message ID, all those things with some message body will also be there. Okay, the queue count. So what I am going to do is let's go back here and queue message item dot. Here there is a get body and that to the string I am going to convert. When I am going to convert with the help of log.info received message is like this. I'm going to convert. Now let's run this again. I think let's see whether this message will go one more time or not. Obviously it will go one more time, right? Okay, now you could see it is started executing. Okay, and you could see this is the first one. Okay, first message I have received from this queue. Okay, only the one message I have received. Now you could see that got dequeued, right? That's why it went out. Now okay, let me clear the queue. So you want to delete all the messages from the queue? Yes. Then if I execute this, the message will be saved and it will be dequeued automatically. Saved and it should be dequeued. Refresh. Nothing will be there because it saved and it got refreshed. Yeah, cool. That's all I would like to show. I know it's a very beginning videos. We are going to slowly expand, guys.